Hello everyone, this is Dirk and I'm very excited because today I received the Tamron 70 to 70 millimeter for my Sony APS-C camera, and of course I've heard so many good things about it, so I will definitely put it to the test against the legendary Sony 16 to 55 millimeter in a real life photo shoot. So it comes with a manual, of course. And here's the lens. It's a fast aperture for a zoom lens. It's a 2.8, which is really nice. On the A6000 series from Sony, it looks like a pretty large lens. It is also fairly heavy. The zoom ring goes smooth. The aperture ring goes very smooth. It feels and looks plasticky, but still with a decent, solid quality. So I can't wait to put it to the test against the famous Sony 16 to 55 millimeter. And until that time, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye for now.